Welcome to Sonat. This video will teach you how to use the SEO analyzer in Sonat. First, you must set a focus key phrase so that the SEO analysis will take place properly and give you a reliable score. To do so, go to your topic setting and type your main keyword in the key phrase field. Now you can get an overall idea about your SEO level by looking at the tiny bullets above the editor. The left item is the SEO icon. It could appear in red, which means unacceptable, yellow needs improvement, or green quite good. To check the SEO scores and metrics in detail, click on its icon. Click Errors, Improvements, and Good Results to see each metric score and advice regarding improvement. As you open this panel, the SEO icons of all topics appear next to each title on the document outline. Another way to check your content score is by clicking the Options menu next to the Publish button. Then click Metrics. You will be led to the Metrics Analytics page, which includes both SEO and readability metrics in detail. Click back to return to the content editor. Besides the topic SEO score, you can check your overall performance on a document. To do so, go to your home page. In the document list, the bullet on the left is the SEO icon. To check the details, click the left bullet. Here, by clicking each item, you can check which topics affect your SEO score. That was all for this video. Thanks for watching.